Welcome to Download Visualforce Page or Component Code Chrome Extension by Satrang Technologies. With the Download Visualforce Page or Component Code Chrome Extension, you can easily download Visualforce Page or Component Code directly to your local machine. To get started, you can download this extension from the Chrome Web Store by clicking on Add to Chrome button. Once installed, it's ready to go. Please note that this extension supports only the classic user interface. Salesforce typically allows you to download the Apex class or trigger code using the standard download button on the class or trigger detail page. Once the extension is downloaded, you can see a download button on the Visualforce page or component as well. The download code looks like this. This enables you to download the code in a manner similar to the standard download button that you see on Apex class and trigger detail pages. For more information, please visit the Chrome Web Store. Don't forget to check out the reviews from our satisfied users. Satrang Technologies has many other powerful Chrome extensions. To know about them in detail, have a look at the other videos displayed on the screen. Thank you.